In this EVNG lab, we'll configure a Cisco router to connect two different networks. Here's our topology. We have two switches, switch 1 and switch 2, each connected to a router interface. PC1 and PC2 are part of network 192.168.10.0/24, connected to switch 1. PC3 and PC4 are part of network 192.168.20.0/24, connected to switch 2. The router will act as the gateway, allowing communication between these two separate networks. Now let's assign IP addresses to all the PCs. For PC1, PC2, assign IPs from network 192.168.10.0/24 with 192.168.10.1 as gateway. For PC3, PC4, assign IPs from network 192.168.20.0/24 with 192.168.20.1 as gateway. This ensures that each device knows its network and the correct default gateway to reach other networks. Next, we'll configure the router interfaces. Interface GI01 connected to switch 1 will belong to network 192.168.10.0/24 with IP 192.168.10.1/24. Interface GI0 to connected to switch 2 will belong to network 192.168.20.0/24 with IP 192.168.20.1/24. These will act as gateways to route the traffic between two networks. Now, let's test connectivity between the two networks. From PC1 try to ping to PC4. The ping should succeed, showing that the router is successfully routing packets between the two different subnets. This confirms our router is properly configured. This is one of the most fundamental setups in networking and a key concept in CCNA routing basics. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Cisco Labs every week.